A new, minimally invasive approach to ACL reconstruction is the first to allow a torn ACL to heal itself. The Bridge Enhanced ACL Repair, or BEAR, procedure takes advantage of your body's natural healing capabilities instead of relying on grafted tissue. First, your surgeon makes small incisions around your knee and inserts an arthroscope to confirm that enough ACL tissue is available for repair. Then, the torn ends of the ACL are stitched back onto the attachment to stabilize the knee. A small amount of your own blood is added to the BEAR implant, which is placed into the knee. Additional stitching holds the implant in place. Over the next 2 months, your body absorbs the implant and replaces it with new tissue to form a bridge between the torn ends of your ACL. The new ACL tissue continues to grow and strengthen over time.